Your words are paper thin, you play them like a tiny violin. Underneath my skin, I'm falling for the sound with no defense. I memorize my favorite lines, and I play them over and over again. Time after time, a long goodbye, but it don't have to end. Let the strings play and the bass drum roar. Tell me you'll stay for one more encore. Promise on hearts that you broke this won't be our last song. Let the bells ring, harmonies echo, carried by wings of the lies you told. Promise on hearts that you broke this won't be our last song. Hardly catch my breath before I'm in the choir like all the rest. Do what you do best, play on every string inside my chest. All the time, yeah, one last time, a long goodbye, but this is where it ends. Let the strings play and the bass drum roar. Tell me you'll stay for one more encore. Promise on hearts that you broke this won't be our last song. Let the bells ring, harmonies echo, carried by wings of the lies you told. Promise on hearts that you broke this won't be our last song. Our last song. Our last song.
Contrafactum.